Hey everybody, Brian Kirby here with Take Aim TV. If you're looking to dip your toes in the world of modern day air rifles, then this video, it's for you. Today we're showcasing the Umarex Komplete. Now this isn't your typical PCP powered air rifle, it's actually powered by NitroAir. The Umarex Komplete is a pre-charged pneumatic air rifle that doesn't require hand pump or big compressors. Instead, it runs on NitroAir disposable nitrogen cartridges. That means you plug in a pre-filled N2 canister and you are ready to shoot. It's as simple as that. So before we dive into the features, let me just be clear, this is the perfect entry-level style air rifle. If you're the kind of guy who is going to be shooting your air rifle daily, then you might want to go for more of a traditional PCP style air rifle. But if you're just trying to see if you're interested in it, or you're just going to be shooting here and there, and you want the simplicity of it, the NitroAir might be for you. Let's talk about some specific features on this gun. The NitroAir replaceable cartridges hold around 3600 PSI and give you about 45 consistent shots out of each cartridge. The available calibers are 177, 22, and new this year, just announced at SHOT Show 2026, is that it can come in a 25 caliber, and that comes in the option of either being powered by the NitroAir system or a traditional PCP style canister. Included is a multi-shot magazine, 4x32 scope, Picatinny rail mount, and an M-LOK accessory rail. It has very low noise level thanks to Umarex's silence air technology, making it perfect for small game hunting and backyard plinking. The gun itself is lightweight, has a very light trigger, and it's very comfortable to shoot. You could easily get out to 30-40 yards and have a very accurate shot pattern. Reloading is very easy with the side cocking lever. If you're looking to experience the accuracy and ease of shoot of a PCP air rifle, but you don't want to dive into buying a compressor or dealing with pumps or scuba tanks, this is definitely a great option for you. Umarex sells the replaceable nitro cartridges right on their website. They also sell them in bulk, so if you're looking to save a little money there, they come out to be around $6 or so per cartridge when you buy them in bulk. Let's talk about the pros. Super easy to use, no pump, no compressor, ready to go out of the box with the included scope and magazine, and thanks to an internal regulator, has a very consistent shot string. Now, a con to this style rifle is it could add up if you are planning on shooting often. So if you're going to be blowing through NitroAir cartridges like crazy and shooting every day, you may want to just go for a traditional PCP style rifle. The scope is a basic 4x32 scope. It's nothing fancy, it's not mind-blowing optics, so if you're going to shoot a lot, you may want to upgrade to some higher-end glass. But the nice thing about it, this does come with the scope, so you could buy it at the store and be shooting later that day. For more information on the Umarex Komplete, check out the link in the description or comments below. And remember everybody, stay aware, carry often, and I'll see you next time.